Hi, my name is Mark Thomas Prieto and I'm a Sun Life Financial Advisor. And I'm here to congratulate Joel on the first anniversary of Tissue Pain Solution. And at the same time, I would also like to thank Joel for helping me with my lower back problem that I have been experiencing for more than 2 years. Before the treatment, I'm having hard time standing up after a long day of work. And with Joel's help, my condition got better until the pain disappeared. And right now, I'm doing the prescribed exercise that Joel gave me. As a satisfied client, I highly recommend Tissue Pain Solution. And as a financial advisor, I strongly suggest to take advantage of your group insurance and also invest in your health. Again, thank you very much and congratulations to Tissue Pain Solution and more blessings to come.